Hey guys, this is Madison Star Moon with another freaked out chemtrail video from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Okay, let's start with the obvious HAARP waves, the scalar pattern, the disgusting coagulation that has corroded the entire sky. I mean, this is truly sickening. It just looks like bubbles, bubble wrap all over the sky. Oh Lord, I just don't know how much more of this disgusting, insane shit we can take. And look at our sunset. Talk about pollution. This is straight up corrosion. Are you video recording me? Odd. Looks like my neighbor's recording me, recording the sky. Weird. Okay. Anywho. I mean, there is nothing natural about this. It's just wicked. Ooh. But this type of sky right here totally bugs me out. We never used to have this before. See, there's HAARP waves throughout the entire sky. With scalar coagulation. And it's spreading out. You can see right here. Look at that. And then we have the pollution clouds, the gray ones that are floating through. I mean, what can you even say about a sky like this? Look at this. This is our summer sunset here in Virginia Beach. Bubble wrap, cotton balls. Simply amazing.